Sir, I hope you can see my presentation, sir.
Yes, yes, it is visible. You can go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Pujita Navarpu from Vijayawada, from Indian Culinary Institute, Tirupati. Here, today I have taken topic Godavari Abhiruchulu, where familiarity and identification of 5 local dishes from Godavari districts of Andhra Pradesh. And here is my review of literature, where we know that Godavari districts are from Andhra Pradesh, and also most of them know that it is the land of temples and also the sweets. And where I have taken 5 local dishes from Godavari district, where they are Potikalu. Potikalu is the famous dish from Konasima, Godavari district in Andhra Pradesh. It's a kind of idli where it is cooked in jackfruit leaves, and it is also sometimes called as Panasabuttalu idli and Avir idli in Konasima idli, etc. Where Potikalu is made of mainly with black split gram idli, rava, jackfruit leaves, etc. And it is also can be served along with coconut chutney, ginger chutney, and karapodi. And the second thing is dibbaroti with cherko panakam. Even the Potikalu have many medicinal values, like jackfruit leaves are rich in antioxidants, and and steaming idlis in the leaves incorporate all the nutrients and flavors of the leaves into idlis. And the second one is Dibbaroti with Panakam. Dibbaroti with Panakam is a Cherku Panakam where it is made out of sugar cane, where it is cooked for a long time. And Dibbaroti it's made of rice, idli rava, and urad dal. And and the third one is Tapeswaram Kaja, and it is also called as Marta Kaja. We know it is the most famous one of the sweet from Godavari districts. And the fourth one is Panasapattu Kura, and it is also called as jackfruit fiber curry. It is made out of fibers from the jackfruit, where it consists of many nutrients and medicinal values. And also Arati Puvukura banana flour curry, and I have also mentioned the respective medicinal values in my project report, sir. The objectives of taking this project is for to identify the 5 local dishes from Godavari districts of Andhra Pradesh and to familiarize the local dishes from Godavari districts of Andhra Pradesh. I have collected my data through conducting survey, self-designed questionnaire, Google Forms, where it was divided 3 parts, like preference, awareness, and accompaniment of the popular local dishes. And I had also collected data through journal articles, blogs, and research-related project videos. And total, when I have done my survey, I got 91 responses. And these are my data analysis.
Pujita, explain about the data.
Yes, sir. Where I have taken the questions like predilection towards the given local dishes, where we can know the favorite dishes of the people, like Pottikalu, the Barotte with Cherikapanakam and Tapeswaram Kaja, and also the jackfruit curry and also banana flour curry, where most of them are aware of Tapeswaram Kaja but not about the rest dishes. And when it comes to familiarity of Pottikalu, most of them doesn't know. So this is why I have been taken this type of topic for my project. And then familiarity of Tapeswaram Kaja. Here we can see through according to my pie chart, we can see most of them are familiar about the Tapeswaram Kaja. And when it comes to accompaniment for Dibba roti, the local people of Godavari district people mostly prefer Cheruku Panakam, but none of them out of Godavari districts, none of them know what Dibba roti goes with what. So I would like to know who are aware of the accompaniment of Dibba roti. And here we can see for accompaniment Dibba roti, most of them eats chutney or pickle, but not the Panakam. And when it comes to taste with health, most of them choose Panasapottu Kura, where jackfruit fiber curry, and popularity of Potikalu, we know most of them. I got moderate answer for popularity of Potikalu, where my project survey was almost around the Andhra people. So even the Andhra people, most of them doesn't know what is Potikalu, what are Panasapottu Kura and Aratipuvu Kura. So I would like, so this is the reason why I have done. And limitation, this research is conducted at the undergraduate level without any type of financial support due to the time limitation and COVID pandemic situation. This research was conducted through the Google forms from the different people of India. Researchers have not come across much literature. Researchers have collected important information through websites, journal articles, blogs, and research related videos, which are mentioned in the reference respectively. Further scope of research, further research can be done on the standardization of these dishes, and we can provide proper information about Andhra Pradesh Godavari local dishes in the website, blogs, and articles. So the awareness of Godavari local dishes can be grown. Conclusion, with the above descriptive statistics and data analysis, the researchers have come to conclusion that as per the responses received, most of the respondents are interested in Tapeswaram Kaja of Andhra Pradesh and Puttikalu are popular among the people of Godavari districts and Andhra Pradesh, but there isn't huge demand for from the respondents. Accompaniment of Panakam with Dibbaroti was observed to be moderate. Due to several health benefits, both Panasapottu Kura and also Aratipuvu Kura are equally chosen. So this research paper will help in further reference and to know the local dishes of Godavari districts from Andhra Pradesh. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Pujita. Very nice presentation, and you are trying to promote local cuisine. But
Yes.
first question from my side only: how you justify that this topic is futuristic?
Sorry, sir.
How you justify that this topic is futuristic? This is going to give you job or some future opportunities in your professional life.
So first thing, I want to just promote my local cuisine, where it is really very good for our health. The local people, most of them consume such foods. Really, they consume such foods for their health, and also due to the work they do. Most of the Godari people will be doing farming work and also